So, hello guys. Today we are going to solve this leetcode question. Reverse substring between each pair of parentheses. So, what's given here is like we have given a string, for example, A, A, B, C, D. So now we are given a string ABCD, and we need to reverse the string within the bracket, which are within the parentheses. So the answer will be like here will be like B, C, B, A. Okay. So how will do that? There are like two approaches. That's one obvious and one is like the best approach. So the obvious approach is like we will use a stack. Like we will make a stack and add everything in it, like the bracket, the A, then the B, then the C, then the D. And now so okay. Now we got the closing bracket. So what we'll do? We just pop everything till we reach this bracket. So in the reverse order because it's stacked, so it will the element last element should be removed. So this string will be in the reverse form. So after we pop this, we will get D, C, D, A, and this is our result. So now here's twist. Suppose we are given a string just to more than one parenthesis, closing or opening parenthesis. So what we do here? We will just add it. It will like U. Oh, sorry. No. It will like the closing bracket, then the U, then again the opening bracket, then L, then O, then B, then E. Then we got a closing bracket. So we'll pop everything E. Then twist this B. Then do this O. Then do this L. And then we will just remove this and it's this thing. And now we will add and we will insert this element into the stack. It will be like uh, closing opening bracket U. Let's make that word will be easy to understand. Closing bracket U, E, V, O, L. And now we have the I here. So we will add the I. So we will just insert this, remove, and then once we reach this closing bracket, we will remove till low, the whole low, and reverse it and add it into a string. Then we will get I. Now again we get a closing bracket. So if we have a closing bracket, we will just pop this I. Then we will get L. Then we will get O. Then we will get V. Then we will get E. Then we will get U. And it's the answer. As you can see. Suppose I'm giving you. Suppose we get a string like A, B, C, D, E, close F, close C. Suppose we are getting this string, so we will reverse it. So now what we have to do? So here we will like a stack. We will add A, then push this. We will add B, push this. Now we will add D and E, D, E. Then as a closing bracket, so we will just reverse this. So it will be like A, opening bracket, B, E, D. Then we are getting F. We will add F here. Then again reverse this. So we will get uh, so we will get like A. We will just from F to this open bracket, remove it. So we will get B, E. Sorry, my bad. Sorry. It will be like A. Then we'll get F here. Then we'll get D here. E. D here. Then E here. Yeah. So this is the answer. So then we'll get a C here. So we will add A, F, D, E, C. I just remove it. in the reverse order. So there's two approaches. So let's go to the code. So let's code it. So we need to make we have to keep a stack. So to iterate, to keep everything in the array of the string into a stack. So we'll get a variable called a stack. We get a stack, and suppose now in this example, u love I. We once we remove the love, we have to reverse it and then again append it. So we can get the so we can again reverse it in this iteration, the second iteration of the outermost bracket. So we let us say result equal to an empty list. So now we will iterate the string. So for example, so it will be like for current in s. So if we have to, if we're not getting the, we have to like add everything till we reach the closing bracket. So we will like condition will be like if cur is not equal to closing bracket, we just append it in the stack dot append cur. Then else like if we are getting the closing bracket, then we have to like pop everything till we reach the opening bracket. So while uh, stack of the top of the stack is not equal to opening bracket, we will continuously add. So we will continuously add element from the pop from the stack to result array. Append stack dot pop. Okay, and once we do that, uh, stack. So we are doing this stack dot pop again because outside the while loop, because once suppose we have removed love here in the reverse order, then in the stack it will be like the opening bracket which can cause error. So just to remove it, we are again doing a pop outside it while loop, and then yeah, return stack dot pop. Yeah, then we have to do result is equal to empty list because it will store love in the reverse order. And again, if we print like again we add I in the stack and then solve it, it will give us the wrong answer. So we have to reset the result array. Yeah, and done. Yeah, then we have to another condition like if the stack is empty. So we just need to break it. So we have completed all the iterations. So then we are just at a return uh, dot join, yeah, stack control. Okay, why I'm getting this? Oh shit! Just forgot to extend it. Stack dot extend result. Yeah, yeah. So we got the answer. Yeah, we got it. Okay, so guys, there's another solution. Which called like the wormhole. In that we are just doing like we will save the coordinates of this and this bracket and this bracket. So we will iterate through this and reverse it, then iterate through this and reverse it. It'll be like that. So let's see that. So we have another solution here. It's wormhole solution in that we will just save the indexes of opening and closing brackets in each other. So we will create a pair which saves the which is zero, initially zero, which saves all the indices of the brackets parentheses, and indices is just to append it, and result is the answer we will get. So we will iterate the solution and get and find all the pairs of parentheses. So here we get it. So we will append it into the indices, and we will iterate everything till we get the closing bracket. So when we get the closing bracket here, we will just pop this indexes of this and save it into here, and indexes of this will have indices of this, and indices of the closing bracket will have indices of opening bracket. Okay, it's opening bracket. So Then we will just start a reversing process. So we'll start on the current, first element, it is 0, and direction is 1, because we'll need to go to this iterate in the right domain, right, correct. So we'll iterate till we get the last element. So if it's opening or closing bracket, we will just change its direction and add it. So here it's an opening bracket, so the direction will be -1, and the current will be here. So okay, then we will increment the array. So the current will be on D now, and then we will just iterate and D C B A. So we'll get in the reverse order. We will append that into the result. Okay, so at the end we will just return the result. So we'll get the answer. Let's run it. Sorry, we are submit it. Yeah, see, 91.13. We had to use this because okay, we need to use this because it was n square solution, and this is of n prime complexity, so it is good then. Yeah.